In this beginner's Wing Chun lesson, we'll work on simultaneous attack and defense. I'll show you 5 simple tips that anyone can do to help you stay on point for your Wing Chun at home practice. Five points. Come on around here, guys. We're going to continue with these wudas, but they're going to build to more. In fact, we're even going to structure tests off of them. But before we get into that, we need to know these 5 points for maintaining your wuda correctly, which they teach both duality and some individuality. In other words, duality is both hands going towards the center of the other person. Individuality is doing separate things with your hands, right? It's very difficult at first just to have an open hand and a closed hand for beginners, right? Later on, you're expected to do all kinds of different negotiating efforts separately, individually. So they're working on both. So these are the 5 points. Number 1, the first one is make sure you have equal forward energy in both hands. So what I mean by that is equal forward energy, a duality in both. So you're not going back, you're not going here and forgetting about this hand, going where it's supposed to go. Even our defenses are offensively driven to the center line, right? So boom, boom, boom. Number 2, punch on the weighted foot. All right? So as we pivot, these are pivots. As we're pivoting, we're punching on the weighted foot. Some simple things to help you. Number 3, punch in front of you. So instead of over here, you're assuming that your opponent is smack in front of you. So if you're in the mirror, just punch your reflection. Number 4, keep your structure. What does that mean? Well, don't get mushy at any time. Don't get soft at any time. Keep the structure throughout the entire time. Now, I'm not only talking about at the point of impact, I'm talking about in between as well. So if there's pressure in between, you need to still keep that structure. It's really difficult, but you got to work on it. And the last one is 5, stay extended. Stay extended as much as you can. Don't be what's called chokyu. Chokyu is the bridge or the elbow being too close to the body. Stay extended out here. Stay extended. Keep them extended. In fact, if you look at my elbows, they're not coming back much at all. I want you guys to really, really extend as much as possible here. There's just a little inch energy on the end, a little gang lick. Right? Boom, boom, boom. Make sense? You guys see these 5 points?
Yeah, number 4, we worked on that the last time we were here. It was just like you wanted us to sort of stay in, not, don't release the. Is that? I mean, is there a baseline involved in that, or is this just basically like if we're
that is
on
the
attack, we're sort of keeping that steady?
Base, it's steady. It's only attack, but it's a steady thing. So you're not really pushing beyond a certain amount. You're just maintaining structure. And structure actually is a baseline.
Yeah. Okay. So
So no mush, no push.
If you break from it, then
You've lost your.
you've lost the connection.
Yes, absolutely. You've mushed. Yeah. Any other questions on these 5? All right, let's give it a shot.
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons. Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.